If the equation above is true for all real values of y, what must be the value of x? So the goal is to find x. We got quite complicated looking equation, so let's see if we can find a way to simplify. So when I see this, I feel like we can factor it by grouping, and the reason is that I can factor out the x, and when you do that, you get y squared plus 1, and you can also get y squared plus 1 when you put the minus out, and inside the parentheses, you keep the plus between y squared and 1, then you're gonna see that y squared plus 1 can be factored out. Okay, if you don't get what I'm talking about, no worry. I'll show you how this is done. So I'm gonna first group these together. Okay, so I'm gonna factor out the x. I get y squared plus 1. And you might wonder, how is that going to be equal to this? Well, there's a minus sign in front. And when you put the parentheses, you need plus here. Okay, because negative times positive will give you negative. So this is essentially this. So if you could see through this, you will notice that y squared plus 1 can be factored out. Y squared plus 1 outside. And there's an implied 1 here, so please don't forget that. Minus 1. I'll call this x in red. Okay, so that's what we have. Now you may wonder, can I solve for y here? Okay, so first of all, they didn't ask for y. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. We need to find the x, and by zero product property, x minus 1 equal to 0, then x has to be 1. So the correct answer should be 1. And also if you don't like this y squared plus 1 on the left side, you could also divide by y squared plus 1. The good news is that 0 over anything will be 0, including variable expressions. So it simplifies to x minus 1 equals 0, then x has to be 1.